breaking news.
Breaking first at noon, farmers and ranchers in the country will be getting direct payments. This is all in response due to losses they're facing due to the coronavirus pandemic. President Trump announced the $16 billion initiative at the White House just moments ago. The payments will go to dairy producers, pork producers, and more. Sign-ups start on May 26th at your local Food Farm Services Agency office. And the program also includes a new food box program to purchase products from farmers to deliver it to charities that serve needy families. A grower from Southwest Virginia says the program will help him weather the storm.
We were able to benefit from the Paycheck Protection Program, and now this bridge will also help us get into the new growing season. Talking to farmers all across the country, farming is something that's always unexpected. We deal with that. We have to pivot at any time. But with something like this that's impacted the supply chain, producers, as well as consumers, that's why having a program like this is very beneficial to all of us.
Checking some of your top coronavirus headlines this afternoon, there are now 1.5 million cases in the U.S. That's according to an NBC News count. The death toll is now more than 91,000. President Donald Trump is threatening to permanently cut U.S. funding to the World Health Organization. In a letter, the president says that could happen unless the agency did not commit to improvements within 30 days. President Trump has criticized the WHO's handling of the coronavirus pandemic. Well, the CDC is planning a nationwide study to track how virus is spreading. It's expected to launch in June or July. The study will test samples from blood donors in 25 metropolitan areas for antibodies. And thermometers are in short supply due to the virus. Manufacturers and distributors say the devices were already in high demand earlier this year when healthcare providers started ordering more to scan patients. But now, companies that require temperature checks for workers are also buying thermometers in mass bundles. Medical suppliers say they simply can't make enough right now to keep up with the demand. Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen near Hanes Mall in Winston-Salem has closed. The company says coronavirus was a factor. A spokesperson for Cheddar's says the closure of the dining room to stop the spread of the virus impacted sales, and takeout and delivery options weren't enough to make up the difference. The coronavirus pandemic has forced many businesses to close in the Triad, either temporarily or permanently. North Carolina's entertainment venues are teaming up to plan for the return of concerts, Broadway shows, and comedy events. The Greensboro Coliseum and Tanger Center for the Arts are now a part of the NC Live Coalition. That group will provide guidance to ensure safe reopening of facilities. Plans could include cashless transactions, staggered fan arrival times, as well as temperature checks. North Carolina's phase 1 of reopening runs through at least this Friday. The governor is asking people to be patient as we move toward phase 2. A decision could come by the middle of this week. Officials need to look at a couple more days of data to firm up the plans.
We hope that we can move forward into phase 2. We know it's important to cushion the blow to the economy, but public health and safety is number one, and we're going to continue to keep that at the top of the list.
Under phase 2, these businesses could open with limited capacities and social distancing measures. That includes dine-in service at restaurants and bars, hair and nail salons, barber shops, entertainment venues, and playgrounds, gyms, and pools. Salon and barbershop owners in the Piedmont Triad are getting ready now if they are allowed to reopen later this week. Tim Parker is the owner of Washington Park Barbershop in Winston-Salem, and he says he's doing whatever it takes to make sure clients feel safe.
We'll be wearing masks, and there's just going to be a ton of disinfectant going on. There's going to be a lot of cleaning, a lot of disinfecting, so the haircut's going to take longer.
Well, the North Carolina Board of Cosmetic Art Examiners says it will provide guidance as soon as it's announced by health experts. Rockingham County Commissioners want Governor Cooper to consider a regional plan to reopen the state. The board approved a resolution requesting the governor allow Rockingham County and other rural communities to reopen. The county says it has a low number of coronavirus cases and hasn't had the impacts from the pandemic that have been felt in more urban areas. Well, today, Tyson Foods says its Wilkesboro processing plant will resume normal operations. The company recently limited operations to get the facility deep cleaned following some positive COVID-19 cases. Tyson says it has tested every plant employee and contractor and will share the results when they come in. Managers also say they've enhanced safety precautions and implemented protective social distancing measures for workers.